All right, babies, let's start. What were some of the strategies for the first one? So, say that again? Make an equation, because in here, even though they're pictures and it's a lot easier to cancel, I don't have two dogs and a cat that I can cancel on the other, right? On the other side, or two cats and one dog that I can cancel on the other side. So you got to decide which one is X and which one is Y. So I'm going to say that the cats is X, and that the dogs are Y. Usually the first one that I see is the X, and the second one that I see would be the Y. You can switch them around, it's okay. You still have the right answer. You will still have the right answer if you switch them around. It's okay. All right, so then this equation would be 2y plus x equals what? 350, and then that one would be 1y plus 2x equals 475. And then at this point, you can use the method of your choice, okay? What did you guys use? Did anybody use any in particular? Or does it really matter which one I use? Does it matter? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and use elimination, since if I'm not doing y equal to, that's probably the one that I would use the most. So this would be 2x plus y, I'm sorry, 2y plus x. You can do substitution too, because it's not that hard to do. 2y plus x equals 350, and then y plus 2x equals 475. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply one of them by a -2. Okay, it really doesn't matter which one. I'm going to go ahead and multiply the top one by a -2. Okay, so then that becomes, I'm multiplying first. I need an equation. Thank you. -4y minus 2x. Thank you. And then what's 350 times 2 times -2? -750. Okay, now I can eliminate.
It's 700.
Oh, sorry. Thank you. All right, so that's canceled out. The x's are canceled out. What is 1y minus 4y? Thank you for those that said -3y. And then what is 475 minus 700? -475 minus 700. Let's make it negative what? 225? Yeah. And then I got to divide that by -3. So what does y equal to? Get the calculator and let's do it. We're not chilling, we're working. -325 divided by -3. Okay.
75.
Positive 75, right? All right, so now I got y, so now I'm going to go up, and I will most definitely plug it in over here, because it's just one of them, right? So that would be 75 plus 2, 75 plus 2x equals 475. Now I got to take away 75. That would be 400 divided by 2. X equals 200. So the cats are 200 and the dogs are 75. And we're done. Okay? Are we good? All right, the next ones, you don't have a choice. You got to do them by substitution. Now, to tell you the truth of the test, I don't know if you're going to do it by substitution or not. Okay? So you can, again, choose the one that you like the best. All right, so I'm going to solve that one for y. Okay? So y equals 8x minus 12. And now I'm going to come to the top one and plug it in right there. Yes? Yes. All right, so 4x plus 3, and then I gotta open the parentheses because I gotta plug in what y is. And y is 8x minus 12 equals -8. Equation solver takes care of that. Make sure it's 1 for those of you that haven't done it. I need to see you do it. And you need to start working. I'm about done with it. I'm gonna move you to pretty black. I do. So stop. Thank you. All right, what do we got? 1. They can say we can bring some pencils here for you to come back. All right. Is it 1? For those of you that were actually doing it?
Yes.
Yes? All right, so now what do we have to do? Plug it in. I will plug it in right there because I need y, right? So that will be 8 times 1.
8 minus 12.
And then 8 minus 12? Very good. So my x equals 1 and my y equals?
-4.
-4. All right, let's do the next one real quick because we are taking a little longer today to do all this. Oh, this one's really easy. Definitely substitute, right? All you have to do is plug in that -2 over there. If you have something like that, most definitely substitution, okay? Most definitely, because you already have what y is. All you need is x. So I'm going to say 4x minus 2 times -2 equals 8. That 4x plus 4 equals 8. Minus 4 divided by 4 and x equals
1.
1, and we're done. You got the y, you got the x, and we're done. We're moving on. We're good? Good? Okay? All right. New paper managers? All right, the sum of two numbers is 92. The difference is 20. Find the numbers. Do you know the numbers? That's the first question. No. So one of them is going to be what? No. One of them is going to be what? X, and the other one is going to be Y. Now, their sum is 92. So what do you think you have to do with the x and the y? Add them together, and it should be equal to what? 92. So x plus y equals 92. Their difference. What does difference mean? Fraction. So that means x minus y equals 20. And then, sorry, I left my keys this morning inside my car, so I'm waiting for a phone call from my insurance company. It's all your fault, because I went downstairs to go get some candy that I bought for you guys, and then I left the key inside my car. It's all your fault. All right, hey, we're really going to do this next. Let's go back. Okay, tell me which method would you use? Elimination, most definitely elimination because the y's can eliminate, right? So that's to eliminate. What's x and x? 2x, and what's 90 and 20? 110. Divided by 2, x equals what? Oh, thank you. Wait. 112. I forgot the 2. 56. Very good. All right. After I got my x, and what do I have to do? Plug it in. I'm gonna plug it in on that one right here, right? So 56 plus y equals 92 minus 56. How much?
36.
36?
Yeah.
Okay, how can I make sure that x and y are correct?
They should add up to 92, and when I subtract them, they will be 20.
Okay. Are we good? Yeah, pretty easy, right? This is within normal? Really? Okay, the next one. All right, let's go. The difference of two numbers is 16.
The greater number is 5 less than 4 times the smaller number. Find the. Do you know what the numbers are?
No.
There should be X and Y, but you do know that one is
Greater than the other. So I'm gonna have to not only say X and Y, but I'm also gonna have to identify them. I'm teaching, put that hand down. I'm also gonna have to identify them as the smaller and the bigger. Okay? So I'm gonna say that X is the small and that Y is the bigger or the greater one.
Is that cool?
Okay? Okay, the difference of them is 16. So is it X minus Y or is it Y minus X? Y minus. Y minus? How did you know that it was Y minus X? Calculate.
Because it's Y is the bigger one. Right? This is why it's important to identify which one is the smaller and which one is the
Greater one. Very good. Okay, so the greater number is, what does that mean? The greater number is,
Information to Y.
okay, so what is the greater number?
Y.
Y. What does is translate to in my equation? Say that again. Thank you. The is your equal sign. Thank you very much.
the greater number is. Miss Marine English. The most awesome teacher ever. I'm telling you something about that. I'm telling you something about myself, right? So I'm telling you that I am.
So that's your Y equals. Is always your equal sign. Okay, 5 less than, you got your backward words, right?
Then, backwards, so whatever goes up through there,
Then you gotta write first. 4 times the smaller number. 4x. And then it's less than, so you gotta say minus 5. Now you think about what method do you want to use.
you can do substitution, or you can just go to Y.
Because this one is already solved for Y. And to solve for Y on the top one, it's so darn easy, right? What would the top one be solved for Y? Y equals what? X plus 16. I would just use the Y equal to, okay? Go do your thing in your calculator. Is everybody comfortable with that? Going to Y equal to and finding the point of intersection? Yay. Do you need to change the window? Yep, thank you, Trevino. Why do you need to change the window? Because that 16 goes what? Off your default. Remember, the first thing that you need to do with that calculator when you open it is what?
Thank you so much. Right? That window is only from negative 10 to positive 10, but you got
Positive 16. You have to change it, okay? What would you change it to?
20. Up to at least 20. And you're going to change everything.
So, you're going to change everything. So your minimums are going to be what? Not minimums. Negative 20. And then it doesn't work, so it's more than that. You guys already tried it?
Yeah.
All right. So let's try it. Already have
35.
Is it what? No, I want the window. 40? Okay, so somebody's telling me that window of 20 doesn't work. Does everybody agree? Yes. So let's put 40. Uh-oh. So remember, your minimums are always negative. Oh my God. Your minimums are always negative. Your maximums are always positive. And then you go to Y equal to and you do your thing. Anybody needs me to do that, or are we good? Are we good? If you're not, you need to let me know. Not the time to be shy. Okay, what do we got for X?
7.
And what do we got for Y? 3. Are we good?
Okay?
Oh.
Did you hear my phone? I sure didn't.
Did you put it away?
I did. But the guy from the people from the company from the. Wait, I gotta go.
Wait. He did offer to help breaking my window. Okay, let's go.
Okay, 100 foot cable is cut into 2 pieces. The first piece is 18 numbers on the second
The first piece is, okay, so small,
Yes.
and then y would be the bigger one or the longer, right? So if it's cut into two pieces, and it was 100 feet, how would you translate that first equation? X plus y. Very good, because it was 100 feet long, and you cut it into two. Now, they're not cut equally because one is longer than the other. Okay, so the first piece, which would be, and actually, it was actually better, okay, hold on. It was actually better to do first and second over here, okay? It's actually, instead of small and big, so I'm gonna go ahead and change that. All right, so the first piece is, how do I translate that? And X is my first piece. X equals, very good. 18 feet longer, whatever's after then, you gotta write first. What's then? What's after then? The second, what's the second? Y, and if it's longer that, plus 18. Now, what method? I would definitely use substitution on this one. Very good. I most definitely would use substitution on this one. So I'm going to take that X and substitute it right there. So it would be Y plus 18 plus Y equals 100. And then you solve for Y. Thank you. So 2Y plus 18 equals 100. You can use the equation solver at this point, correct? Okay, minus 18. Yay? How much? Divided by 2. What does Y equal to? 41. Now I'm going to take that Y and do what with it? Plug it in. Where would you plug it in? On the X equal to. Yeah, you're absolutely right. On the X equal to. So that will be 41 plus, which X equals what? 59? How can I make sure that this is correct? They should add up to how much? 100. Okay, I'm going to go back. It should take me about 10 minutes to get that car open. So I need you to do the next 4 and 5. Alrighty? Don't embarrass me. Alright, let's get to it. Yeah, it wasn't worried about my game. It was worried about my home this afternoon. Okay, let's go. Y is the weekend. Thank you. Okay, what is X and what is Y?
Y is banana.
Okay, why are we talking? I don't understand. Calm down. All right, 3 apples and 4 bananas. So how would you translate that? 3x plus 3x plus 4x, no. Thank you. All right, so 3x plus 4y equals 4.85. And what's the next one? 3x plus 10y. Not negative, 8.75. That's money. Yeah, that's exactly, very good. That's exactly what you needed to do now. Now you need to take one of these and multiply by a negative so that you can eliminate. Okay? So then that becomes negative 3x minus 10y minus 8.75, and you no longer have this. Okay, and then 3x minus 3x would be, cross this out. And then what's 4x minus 10y? And then 485 minus 875.
Negative 3.9.
3.90?
Yeah.
Yes? $3.90? Yay or nay?
Yay.
Okay, divided by? Negative 6.
Y.
25. So 65 cents for each banana?
Yeah.
Okay? You can put the point if you want to. You don't have to. You don't have to put the point as long as you put the cent sign. gonna come and
Plug it in.
plug it in. I'm gonna plug it in the top one. So 3x plus 4 times 0.65 equals 485. At this point, I would just let equation solver solve it.
Yeah.
If you want to solve it by yourself, it's okay. But I would use equation solver. 75 cents?
Yeah.
Yes? All right. How can I make sure that that x and that y?
They have to.
I have to plug it back in, right? And then when I buy 3 apples and 4 bananas, I should have a total of $4.85. Now, I'm going to tell you this right now. This is what I'm going to do Friday on the test.
But you know you want to do the apple.
I am going to ask for only one of them, either apples or.
Banana.
Now, because I chose elimination, I have to do both, right? Because I wanted what? I wanted apples. Both of them will be part of the choices. And the wrong one will probably be first, correct? Yay? Okay, so I'm going to ask you, listen, I'm telling you right now, and I'm going to get you, no, I'm going to get some of you on Friday. I'm asking for one, either the bananas or the apples. Both of them will be there. You have to pay attention to what you're answering. Are we good? All right, let's do the next one. What is X and what is Y? You just spent 10 minutes chilling and then doing things. Nobody's telling me what X and what is Y.
Still and then Y and stuff.
There you go.
I got it.
All right, so let's translate. Still scored 5 points less than twice the number scored by John. Together, they scored a total of 43 points. How many points were scored by each player? What will be your first equation of the system?
Two Y. X equals.
Oh wait, x equals 2y.
X equals, because it's telling you that still scored.
So that's his points.
X equals -1. Minus 5.
Whatever goes after less than.
Okay?
Now, together they scored a total of 43. So what's the second equation? That's the easiest one.
X plus y equals 43.
Okay, together
No.
they scored
X plus
43.
Y equals 43.
Say that again.
X plus Y.
Thank you, because I only heard one person saying it right.
Okay, what method would you use? I was asking you because you already have one that's already.
So for y. So I would put that in right there. So that would be 2y minus 5 plus y equals 43. And you got two options. You can solve it by yourself or you can go to a question solver and do your thing. That's 3y minus 5 equals 43. So I'm going to say plus 5. That equals 48. And now I'm going to divide by 3. Plus 5 because it was a minus 5. Divide by 3 because 3 is multiplied by y. Simple two-step equation.
Y equals 16. Y equals 24. 16.
16 or 24?
16.
16.
16. 1 6.
All right. Now to get x, because I want both players, I cannot stop. I have to plug that y over there. So that would be 2 times 16. I believe that's 32.
32 minus 5.
27? Yeah or nay? Yeah? Okay, which means that, what does that mean? And 27 and the 16.
But still made more points than don't
But still have 27 and
count.
16. So at that point, how many points were scored by each player to have the 27 and the 16? So each one of them, that's how many points they got. All right. For example, age plus twice earnings age is 30. What time is it?
Nine.
Alright, birth age plus twice earnings age is 30. 3 times birth age plus 8 times earnings age is 108. How old are birth and earning?
I don't know.
It looks a lot more complicated than what it really is. You gotta take it and start step by step. What's the first step?
For entering.
Define your X and your Y. Okay, so which one is X? Birth. And which one is Y? Earning. Alright, so birth's age plus twice earnings age is 30. Okay. Wait your hand, because I get him too much promotion. Evelyn. Very good. Births plus twice earnings equals 30. Then 3 times births plus 8 times earnings is 108. So I want to translate that, Deja. All right. What method would you use? You're going to do elimination, which means I'm going to have to multiply one of them by something, right? I would multiply that one by what? Why -1? Negative what? And what if you multiply by -3? You can multiply by -4, but that's a bigger number. That's not wrong. It's just a bigger number. I would multiply by -3. I try to go with the smallest numbers that I could find because it's a lot easier to work with smaller numbers than it is to work with bigger numbers. So I would multiply, yeah, smarter, not harder, remember? I would multiply this by -3. Okay, when you distribute, what do you get? Negative 3x minus 6y minus 90, right? And now I can eliminate. That would be 0. What is 8y minus 6y? 2y. And what is 108 minus 90? Is it 18? 18? Yes? And then I'm going to divide by 2. And y equals what? There you go. Y equals 9. Now I got to find both of them. Which means I got to go back and plug it in. Now you cannot plug in a one that you have changed. So you're either going to have to plug in this one or that one.
Instead of the first one. Yeah. Because you only have one.
X plus 2y, so you only have one x. There you go, and then you don't have to divide by anything when you find an x. Very good. See, and this is the difference between that quiz on Friday taking 20 minutes and taking 40. The people that will take 20 minutes will realize those things and will do it a lot faster. It's a lot easier to plug here than it is to do it here. Okay? It makes a difference when you're doing 10 and 12 problems. It adds up. So that would be x plus 2 times 9 equals 30. So that would be minus 18. X equals 12. Okay? So that's my y, and that's my x. Are we good? Yay? Alright, I want you to do the next one since you guys didn't work together. That one. While I was gone. Getting your darn candy. That was the reason why I left my keys inside. Alright.